Jody. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me and my Hobonichi for the week of November the 16th to the 22nd. And I'm going to be using a stunning kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. And I used a kit from her last week from the shop. And as I said, I love using Simply Beautiful Plans and Winterfield Studios kits in my planner. Winterfield Studios icons, the little tiny icons, so they match perfectly with these kits. So I foiled this in Gold Digger. So let me just show you. This is the bottom washi and the top washi. Isn't it beautiful? This is something that I would normally not pick out, but I thought it would be perfect because I'm not a hiker. But I thought it would be kind of perfect for fall. And of course, I had to pick it up when Amy brought it out because I just love every one of Amy's kits. And there's the second set of washi. And then there's some, I call it sidebar stuff, but it's stuff that I use on the right-hand side of my week. So it says to do, I don't know if I'm getting this properly. Lighting's weird in here. To do, work, meal plan this week, next week, and to clean. And then here's some deco, as always. And I'm going to be using some date dots from the shop as well. I'm just going to take a quick moment to show you my freebie. This is my winter freebie, and it's in gold foil. And you can get this by putting Jody Cake to save 15% off in the shop. And if you put Jody in notes, you'll get this. And I think it's so pretty. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom washi down, and I'm going to use the mountains. I'll save the other washi for another spread. So how's this week going for you all? It is another gorgeous day here. A little cool. Oh geez, see, I already made a mess. A little cool, but you know, that's fall. I'm not going to get this down straight, apparently. All right, that's good enough. So I've been doing some, oops, oh my God, you centered. I've been doing some Christmas shopping online. It's kind of a controversial thing, I guess, with COVID. A lot of the small shops are suffering. Oh boy, that's so wrong. A lot of the smaller shops are suffering. I don't live in the city, so I'm rural, and I kind of have to shop where I can to get good stuff. Plus, with it being COVID restrictions are picking up again, I will need to send stuff to family, and online shopping allows me to be able to do that. So I can just order something and have it shipped right through to them. So what I'm doing right now is I'm loading up my cart in a bunch of different places. Walmart is driving me nuts. I had stuff on my cart, and it was great for a couple of, like for a week I had it in there, and now I went in today to log in to buy it, and they said that it's grocery items now. So I'm like, what the hell? They did all these changes, and stuff that didn't used to be groceries are considered groceries, so that they don't have to ship them. They can just make you pick them up in the store. And that doesn't help me at all. I might as well just shop in person then, right? But that's what's happening. So I've found alternative places to shop from. I kind of lose my business on stuff like that. That's your choice. I got these really cool tweezers. I joined the club, right? Look at them. They're personalized with sparkles, and I just love them. And I got them from a little shop called, what's the name of it? Oh, I forgot the name of it, guys. The shop, let me see. Let me look it up, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I can't believe I forgot it. It's called Sassy Planner Co. And can you see it? It says Jody, and it's sparkly. They're so pretty. I hope I can use them because I don't know if about this pointy end, and I'm not very coordinated in the best of times, but let's give them a try. They were sent to me by the owner, which is even worse that I forgot the the name. I had to look it up. It was on the tip of my tongue. I had it ready to go, and then I completely forgot. She was in a recent sale, a recent one of my sales, and she sent them to me. I did a shop spotlight with them for this sale. I do that with companies that are in my sales. So anyway, I love them. They're so pretty, and I love the way they lay stickers down there. Like I said, it's new for me to use these curved ones, but I like them. So I'm just doing my usual lay down my base. I put these boxes down to track my meals. And I'll use the habit tracker now. There's 3 habit spaces in it, which is good. I do my medications, my vitamins, and my water intake. So this page is finished. It's just a weekend banner, but I don't use them in this planner. So that's done. So let's go ahead and take one of these boxes as a theme box. And I think I'm going to do this one with the pretty trees on it, because, you know, it's kind of a wintry box. Winter and Christmas with all with the trees. That's why I thought it would be good for a fall spread. And I'm going to go ahead and take the checklists and put those down. Monday to Sunday. So anything exciting happening in your neck of the woods? Not much here. It's been a really quiet week, which is probably good. I wish there was better news with COVID, but they're shutting more and more down in Ontario. The numbers are skyrocketing. So we've gone back into red closures. Not exactly in my area yet, but in the area where my family lives and some friends. So I won't be able to see the grandbabies and my parents and my son for a while, so we'll be Skyping for a while. Hopefully it opens up again before Christmas so that I can get down and see them. If not, it's going to be a very quiet Christmas. So let's now take the sidebar stuff, again, for the right-hand side of the page, and I'm going to do a to-do. I love the colors in this kit. I've actually been hoarding this kit for quite a while, even though, like I said, it's not something that I would normally pick. But once I got it in person, I just fell in love with it. And so I didn't want to use it. I wanted to keep it in my stash, but I didn't want to use an all-on fall kit this week. I wanted to actually go ahead and start my Christmas kits. However, I have not received my Hobonichi kits yet. I left it too long to order. And so now I wait. I'm going to use some of this deco. I think it's really cute. It's quite large, but I'm going to put it in anyway. Use the camo jacket and use this coffee mug. It says, "I love you to the mountains and back." Then up on the top one, I'll just put the lantern. Cover that black spot up because it's not a fan of that. So anyways, that's how it looks so far. Let's get the date dots down. And again, they're from Simply Beautiful Plans. I'm going to need to get a new set soon. These are in gold foil. And so it's the 9th, the week of the 9th. No, it's not. Caught myself just in time. It's the week of the 16th. I almost planned the wrong week, guys. Let's flip this over this way. Zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I did that a couple of weeks ago. I planned the wrong week. I couldn't believe it. It's only happened to me a few times, but I was actually filming on the channel and filmed the wrong week. So then the next week I had to go back and do the week that I missed. I didn't get a memory plan up last week. I said I was going to, and then I got busy and didn't get around to it. And so I owe you one. Hopefully I can get it filmed tomorrow. Get it up for you. So you can have different content. There, that looks pretty. I'm done with those. So let's come in and start the day today. I'm going to zoom in a little bit further. And I think that's all as far as I can go. Please remind me to move you up while I'm planning. So Monday, as usual, is Coffee Monday. I'm going to use some of these really cute hand-drawn stickers from Winterfield Studios. My code for her is Jody, and that's for 20% off in the shop. And you'll receive my freebie as well. So there, that's Coffee Monday. And on Monday also, I will be posting a giveaway for my sale, the Planner Girls United sale. In the Facebook group, there will be a giveaway for combined shop credits. That's $160 this time. It's a smaller sale this time around. And I'm going to need to do some cleaning, but I'm going to do that on Tuesday. Monday, I'm hoping to get more Christmas deco up. So we'll put the vacuum so that I can clean up the mess I'm making. And Friday is garbage day. Sorry, I didn't tell you that these are from Winterfield Studios as well. They're hand drawn, and this is the cleaning sheet. And her stickers come in gold, silver, and rose gold. So let me put this on Friday. It's garbage day every Friday. Every other week it's trash and recycle. So there's that, and I'm also going to use the washing machine on Sunday because I tend to do laundry on Sundays. Except this week, I'm doing it today and tomorrow because I'm doing clothes one day and bed sheets and towels the next day. And then on Sunday, you all know me, I'm going to call my mom. So again, from Winterfield Studios, hand-drawn telephones. I think they're so cute because they're retro telephones. And Thursday, I'm going to do groceries. So let's move you down a little bit. I'm going to be using these grocery scripts, again from Winterfield Studios. The font is so delicate. She's got a bunch of different ones. And I'm sure that if you contact her through her website or in her Facebook group, which is Winterfield Studios, she will be able to give you other scripts, customs. And finally, I want to do some baking on Tuesday. I'm going to start making some Christmas cookies and whatnot. So this is a baking sheet. This is the minis. And these are from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I'm also a PR for her. My code is Jody20 to receive 20% off. And if you put Jody in notes, you'll receive my freebie. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in. And I think I'm going to use this little hand mixer. Although I will more than likely be using my stand mixer because I have two of them. So this is what it looks like. All my nice little icons, my scripts. So that's my week. Let me zoom you out again so you can see the whole thing. So this is it. Look at all the beautiful foil. I just love it. So that's it for this week. Thank you for coming to watch. Thank you for visiting. As always, I really appreciate you dropping by all the time to see my content. Make sure that you check out all the codes for the shops below. Look and check out Simply Beautiful Plans. You can find some more gorgeous kits like this. She has winter ones out now. Take a moment, please, to like this video. It helps my channel. And subscribe as well. I'd love to see you all come back. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now. bye.